Coming soon on Lisa Lancaster Travels, join Jonathan and myself as we ride the Rockies to home, traveling from Glacier through Alberta and the Crow's Nest Pass, visiting Mohawk Tipple and the Hillcrest Coal Mine ruins. We then take a look at Frank's Slide of Turtle Mountain, that is one of the most deadly slides in Canadian history. A stop in Yak and a ride down the side street to learn about its rum-running past as the story is told. Continuing through Creston and BC as we share our adventure and our love for motorcycle travel with you on the last leg of this tour and on our motorcycle camping adventure. Stay tuned and thank you for watching.